The handle is used to tighten the clamp on your cutoff saw. The metal handle is attached to the vise screw. The handle can be accidentally damaged if it is hit or if something falls on it. Replacing the handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the roll pin that secures the clamp face to the screw. I'll use a punch and a hammer. With the roll pin removed, now I can separate the screw from the clamp face. And I'll be careful to not lose the washers. Next, I'll remove the screw from the nut and the screw guide. With the screw removed, I can remove the vise nut. Next, I'll separate the handle from the screw. It's secured with a roll pin. To remove it, I've opened the jaws on my vise about 1/2 inch. I'll place a rag over the jaws and place the screw inside the gap. The rag will prevent the threads from being damaged. I'll use a punch and hammer to remove the pin. With the pin removed, I can separate the handle from the screw. Now I can install the new vise handle. First, I'll place the handle on the anvil on my vise and start the pin into the handle. I only need to install it to the point that it's secure. Now insert the screw into the handle, aligning the hole in the screw with the pin. And now I can tap the pin the rest of the way into place. To reassemble, I'll place the vise nut in the screw guide. It doesn't matter which way you orient the nut when you install it. The difference will be the position it's in when it's unlocked. So I'll place the nut into the screw guide and then insert the screw. Now I'll install the first washer. I'll insert the post through the clamp, install the second washer, and I'll secure it with the pin. And that's all it takes to replace the handle on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.